This video will be discussing on the method of moments, and you are given an interval from the uniform distribution to obtain the mean and the variance using method of moments. So we have to estimate the mean and variance using method of moments estimation. Solution. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. We recall that from uniform distribution, we have that it follows that a plus b all over 2 and b minus a raised to the power of 2 all over 12, where this is known as the expected value of x and this is known as the variance of x. Now, for the method of moments, the solution to the method of moments is when the population mean is equal to the sample mean. So for the first moment, we have that the population mean, which is equal to the expected value of x, is equal to a plus b all over 2. Also, is the same thing as, what is our a? This is the interval a, and this is what? B. So we have here to be a, which is mean minus square root of 5 sigma squared, plus b. Our b interval is mu plus square root of 5 sigma squared all over 2. So it then means that our population mean is equal to, of course, this will cancel this, this will cancel this. I will be left with this and this, which is mu plus mu all over 2, which is the same thing as 2 mu all over 2, which is the same thing as mu, because 2 will cancel 2. So finally, we have our population mean to be mean. Now, what about our sample mean? Our sample mean is equal to 1 all over n summation of xi as I running from 1 to n. This is our sample mean. And our sample mean, as we know, is equal to x bar. So we'll take this as our equation 1 and this as our equation 2. So comparing equation 1 and 2, comparing equation 1 and equation 2, comparing both of them, we'll have that our population mean is equal to our sample mean. That means mu is equal to x bar. So this becomes our first moment. This becomes the answer to our first moment. This is exactly how you can obtain the first moment for the method of moments estimation. Now, for our second moment, how do we obtain our second moment? We need to delete this side of the board. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. Now, for our second moment, we have that our population mean is equal to our sample mean. And our population mean is equal to the expected value of x squared, and we have our sample mean to be 1 all over n, the summation of, as I running from 1 to n, x I squared. So this is what we get. Now, how do we obtain the expected value of x squared? We should now recall that the variance of x, is equal to the expected value of x squared minus the expected value of x all squared. Now, if we make this the subject of formula, we'll have our expected value of x squared to be equal to the variance of x plus the expected value of x all squared. So this is what we'll get. So it then means that our population mean is the same thing as the variance of x plus the expected value of x all squared. So we'll solve for this before we now compare to get our estimates. We'll move over to the other side of the board. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. Now we have our mu 1, which is equal to the expected value of x squared is equal to, we know our variance to be b minus a all squared all over 12 minus our expected value, we got mean, which we just clean all squared. So we have to solve for this. Our population mean for the second moment, we have to solve for this, is equal to the expected value of x squared, and is equal to, what is b? B is mu minus square root of, 5 sigma squared minus a, mu minus 5 minus square root of 5 sigma squared all over 12 minus what we have here, which is mu squared. So we open the bracket, 5 sigma squared minus mu plus 5 sigma squared all over 12 minus mu squared. So of course, this will cancel this. And we are now left with 5 sigma squared plus square root of 5 sigma squared all over 12 minus mu squared, which is 2 from solve 5 sigma squared all over 12 minus mu squared, which is the same thing as 4 multiplied by 5 sigma squared all over 12 minus mu squared. Sorry, say minus. This is plus. From here, variance plus this. Variance plus this plus and variance plus this. Sorry. So we have 20 sigma squared all over 12 plus mu. So this here 6, this here 10. Here is 3 and here is 5. So we have 5 sigma squared all over 3 plus mu squared. So this becomes our second population mean. So move over to this side to obtain the sample mean. For the sample mean, that is n, 1, 1, sorry, 1, 2 is equal to 1 all over n summation of xi squared. So this, sorry, let us write out our population mean. Our population mean gives us 5 all over 3 sigma squared plus mu squared. And the sample mean give us 1 all over n x squared. So this is our equation 3 and this is our equation 4. Comparing equation 3 and equation 4, we have 5 all over 3 sigma squared plus mu squared is equal to 1 all over n summation of x I squared as I run from 1 to n, where the whole of this will reform that mu is equal to x bar and mu squared is equal to x bar squared. Having this at heart, we have that we move over to this side. We have that 5 all over 3 sigma squared plus x bar squared to be equal to 1 all over n summation of xi squared. So this can go over to this other side to give us 5 all over 3 sigma squared to be equal to 1 all over n summation of xi squared minus x bar squared, which can be written as 1 all over n summation of xi minus x bar all squared, 5 all over 3 sigma squared. Where sigma squared can be written as summation of xi minus x bar all squared all over n, that is 5 all over 3. So if we take the square root of both sides of the equation, square root of both sides of the equation, we have our estimate, our method of moment estimate to be square root of 5 all over 3 xi minus x bar all squared all over n, all over n. So this is what we have for the variance for our method of moment. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. And this is how we can compute the method of moment estimation for the mean and the variance. Of course, this is the variance, and we got our mean to be, if we can recall, this for the first moment and this for the second moment.